That thin layer of smoky scotch is not decoration. It lets a penicillin reach your nose before your first sip. Below it sits a bright honey ginger scotch sour. Build the base, add the smoke last, and the flavors arrive in sequence. The story begins at New York's Milk and Honey in 2005. There, bartender Sam Ross began experimenting with scotch. His starting blueprint was the Gold Rush, bourbon, fresh lemon, and honey in the shape of a simple sour. Ross replaced bourbon with blended scotch, then brought in fresh ginger to sharpen honey's soft sweetness. After a compass box delivery, he finished the experiment with a spoonful of smoky peat monster on top. That final float changed the drink. Peat now reached the nose before the sweet, bright liquid reached the tongue. Honey, ginger, and lemon recall familiar, comforting flavors, which helps explain the playful name. But this is an alcoholic cocktail, not medicine. Keep every pour measured and serve it only to adults. In our version, 45 milliliters of blended scotch provides malt, body, and a calm base for the sharper flavors. Lemon brings brightness. Honey rounds its edges. Ginger adds warmth that keeps the middle of the drink awake. 15 milliliters of Islay Scotch stays at the surface, making smoke and aroma layer rather than the whole drink. This is our measured ManvsDrinks version. Today's IBA listing uses different quantities. Measure 45 milliliters blended scotch for the base and 15 milliliters Islay Scotch for the float. Add 20 milliliters fresh lemon, 20 milliliters honey ginger syrup, clean ice, and an optional ginger or lemon garnish. For one quick syrup batch, place 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon water in a small pan. Grate in 1/4 teaspoon fresh ginger. Measure it. Too much can dominate a single drink. Warm the mixture gently for 2 minutes, only until the honey loosens and the ginger gives up its aroma. Strain away the ginger, then cool the syrup completely. Warm syrup melts shaker ice before the shake even starts. Chill a heavy rocks glass and place 1 large, clean cube inside. Cold glassware buys you time. Fresh serving ice matters because cracked shaker ice has already begun diluting the drink. Fill a shaker with hard ice, leaving enough room for the liquid and ice to travel. Pour in the 45 milliliters of blended scotch. This is the drink's foundation, not its smoke bomb. Follow with 20 milliliters fresh lemon, then 20 milliliters of the cooled honey ginger syrup. Keep the Islay measure outside the shaker. If it joins now, the defining aromatic layer disappears. Seal the shaker and shake briskly for about 20 seconds until the metal feels properly cold in your hands. The frosted tin tells you chilling and dilution have happened together. More shaking is not automatically better. Strain the bright cold base into the prepared rocks glass and over that single fresh cube. Leave the wet, fractured shaker ice behind. It has done its job and should not follow the drink. Now the defining move. Pour 15 milliliters Islay Scotch slowly over the back of a spoon. Let that smoky layer settle across the surface. Do not stir it back into the drink. Finish with candied ginger or a thin lemon peel. Keep the garnish small and useful. Peat arrives first, then lemon, rounded honey, and a clean ginger warmth. Too sweet? Check lemon. Weak ginger? Make fresh syrup. Flat aroma? Restore the float. Full recipe at ManvsDrinks. Like, save, and subscribe for the next drink story.